Hey folks, how's it going? I'm Explorer 101 here, and you are watching how to set up Sublime for Python development. So let's go. First of all, what you have to do, open up Sublime Text, and then click on Install Package Control, and wait for a prompt. Okay, Package Control was successfully installed. Now it's saying us use the command palette and type install package to get started. Okay, so first of all, head to this site. I have opened up this Dambator. Here we had to download this color scheme tomorrow night. Let's go to package control and install package. Okay, here type in color scheme tomorrow night. Where is that? So, oh sorry, we have forgot this thing here. Color scheme. Or we can see tomorrow. Color scheme is here. Okay. So package. Okay, it's done. Now we have to download theme Soda Dark. Theme Soda here. Now let it install. Okay, it's done. Now next thing is the sidebar enhancements. Go through here. Package control, install package, and sidebar enhancements. After this is done, we have download all autocomplete. Okay. Wait till the installation is complete. Okay, then go package control, install, and all autocomplete. Yes. For that, download Sublime Code Intel, which enhances autocomplete and has some built-in completions for some languages. Python control, install package. Sublime Code Intel. Now next thing we need to do is download Sublime REPL. Okay. And this is the command package we are going to install to run our Python scripts. Sublime REPL. Okay, after that is done, we have to install GitKutter. It adds some little icons to the editor's Kutter area. And then we are going to install Pylinter. For this Pylinter we need another thing, the model Pylinter, which we will download from the command prompt. Now is the GitKutter. Okay. Install package GitKutter. After that, we had to install Pylint first, and then this Pylinter. And that we will be downloading that from here. And prompt administrator. First open up command prompt as an administrator. Okay. Yes. And after that here, type in Python pip install Pylint. Okay, first it will start collecting the Pylint package. Go back to this and preferences, package control, install package, the Pylinter from here. Pylinter. And it's done installing. Now let's go here, preference files, and copy this preference. Copy this. It's preferences.sublime.settings here. Preference sublime.settings here. And paste these here. And I'm going here. If you don't want to show the full path, you can set show full path to false like I did. Okay, now save it. And we're done installing. Okay, after that, let's go again and set up some key bindings first. Copy, Sublime, where are key bindings here, and paste them here, and save it. Yes, and something other here. This Pylinter.sublime settings, but we don't need that. Okay, and it's done. Okay, now what you have to do is go here, Propel, then Python here, and you will see the Python here. Okay, now you will be able to run Python scripts. Print hello world, like this. So if you guys would like to, I have a Python tutorial series coming, so like, share and subscribe this video, and click the notification bell icon and set all notifications to true, and you will receive before everyone. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys.